Today we are going to be making homemade corn tortillas. First of all, we are going to be needing a tortilla press, 2 pieces of plastic wrap, a medium bowl, 4 cups of water, and 3.5 cups of instant corn masa flour. In a medium bowl, we are going to add our corn flour, then add our water. Mix our ingredients with your hand. Feel free to use gloves if you are cooking for others. Mix until the dough no longer sticks to your hand. If the dough feels too wet, add some tablespoons of flour. If the dough feels too dry, add some tablespoons of water. If your mixture is too wet, your dough will be too hard to handle when making it into a tortilla. Here we had to add an additional 2 tablespoons of corn flour into our mixture. We can then divide our dough into 14 to 16 equal portions. Now onto our tortilla press. We will first lay 1 piece of plastic wrap. We can then place one of our dough portions into the press. Now place our other plastic piece on top of our dough. Close the tortilla press and press. Additionally, you can repeat this process after turning the tortilla 180 degrees for a thinner tortilla. Then remove the plastic wrap that's on top. Carefully flip the tortilla onto your hand so that you can remove the other plastic wrap from the tortilla. Place the tortilla on a medium hot pan or griddle. Cook each side of the tortilla for about 30 to 45 seconds. You can tell when to flip when the edges have been cooked. You can also lift one of the edges of the tortilla to see if the underside has been cooked properly. It is perfectly fine if the tortilla is speckled with some black spots. If after your second or third flip, your tortilla puffs up, then you know you did it perfectly. And that's it. Now you have wonderful homemade corn tortillas. So please, before you go out into the grocery store and buy pre-packaged corn tortilla, consider making some at home. Thank you for watching and enjoy. Until next time.